Welcome to today's episode, where we'll explore some creative ways to preserve and repurpose your kids' artwork without cluttering your space. We understand how important those little masterpieces are, and we've got some fantastic ideas for you. Our first idea is to create a digital portfolio. Take photos or scan your kids' artwork, then organize them into a dedicated folder on your computer or use cloud storage. This way, you can easily access and share their creations without taking up physical space. Now, let's talk about turning your home into an art gallery. Designate a special wall or space for your kids' artwork. Frame some of the most cherished pieces, and rotate them regularly. This not only showcases their creativity but also adds a unique and personal touch to your home. Another great idea is to create a custom calendar. Select 12 of your kids' best pieces, one for each month, and have them printed on a calendar template. This functional and decorative item makes an excellent gift for family members and keeps their art alive year-round. How about a beautiful art collage or mural? Choose a variety of art pieces and arrange them creatively. You can frame the collage or adhere it directly to a wall or canvas. This way, you'll have a single, visually appealing piece that captures the essence of their creativity. And don't forget personalized gifts. Use your kids' art to customize items like mugs, tote bags, or even custom-made puzzles. These unique gifts not only reduce clutter but also allow you to share their creativity with loved ones. As a bonus idea, consider creating an art scrapbook. Use a large scrapbook or binder with clear plastic sleeves. Insert their artwork chronologically, and encourage your kids to write captions or stories to go along with each piece. This preserves their art while capturing the memories and emotions behind each creation. Remember, the key to success is involving your kids in the process. Ask them which pieces are most important to them and let them help choose how to display or repurpose their artwork. This not only manages clutter but also fosters their appreciation for their own creativity. We hope these ideas inspire you to turn your kids' art into cherished keepsakes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.